Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic called the median, and this median can be represented as a letter called M. So median simply means it is the value of the middlemost items in an arranged series. Therefore the number of items below median will be same to the number of items above it. The number of items below median will be same to the number of items above it. In simple terms, 50% of items lie below median and other 50% lies above it. That is the meaning of the number of items below median will be same to the number of median lies above it. So Bowley defines median as the magnitude pertaining to the item halfway the series, as the value of median is determined by its position called positional value. So median simply means a positional value or the positional value of the item. That's why median called positional average. So how we can find out or estimate the value of median from an ungrouped data is that there is a equation followed to this n plus 1 by 2th item. So we can identify median by using the formula n plus 1 by 2th item. Median is the value of that item. Median is the size. We can say that median is the size of n plus 1 by 2th item in an arranged series. N means it is a number of items. So for an example, find the median from the following data. There is the value of x given 12, 24, 12, 36, 7, 40, 12, 18, 21 and 48. So we have to rearrange the given data into an ascending order. That's why we get the order 7, 12, 12, 18, 21, 24, 36, 40, 48. So the number of items is 9, therefore n is equal to 9. So using the formula n plus 1 by 2, we get the answer 5. So median will be the fifth item, that is 21. Therefore median as a positional value of items, that's why this median called positional average. I think it is clear for you. Then another illustration is given there. Okay, here is another illustration. So here a following data given and find out the median value. So the data will be like this. The x values 22, 16, 4 and 20, 12, 19. So here the total number of item is 6. So we can arrange this given data into an ascending order. That's why we arrange the given data into an order and find out the positional average. That means finding out the median value from the given data. So here n is equal to 6. So 6 is an even number. During the time of or by giving data which is even, then we can find out the median by using the middlemost item, by adding the middlemost item, that is 16 and 19 by 2. That gives our median value. So here is an even number, n is equal to 6. Therefore we select two middlemost items and add those items and divide it with it by 2. We get 17.5 is our median value. Is it clear? So ungrouped data is of two kinds. One is odd number and another one is even number. When the data is an odd is in the form of an odd number, then we can find the median value by using the formula n plus 1 by 2, and in the case of an even number, we find out the middlemost values and add that and divide it with the 2. Okay, then The next topic is calculation of median from a frequency table. Frequency table is like a discrete frequency table and a continuous frequency table is there. Discrete frequency table means using discrete numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. Here median is a value of n plus 1 by 2th item. So at where we find out median from an ungrouped data, we will use the same formula, that is n plus 1 by 2th item, but at that time the n is a small letter n that shows the number of items which is given in the data. But here we used capital letter n that shows the sum total of frequencies given in the data. So n plus 1 by 2th item. So n is a total frequency. So here total frequency is an even number. Median is the value of next item higher than n plus 1 by 2. For example, n is equal to 30, then we can find the median value by adding n plus 1 by 2th item. That means 30 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 15.5. Clear? Here is an illustration. Find the median from the following data. The data is a discrete frequency form and the x values given there 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and the corresponding frequencies are there 3, 7, 10, 15, 12, 6, 4, 3 and the solution is like we have to find out the cumulative frequencies of given from the ordinary frequency table. So in the question we have an ordinary frequency table and from that ordinary frequency table we have to find out the cumulative frequency. What is the meaning of cumulative frequency? Adding the frequencies, that means 3 plus 7 and adding 10 with that answer and we get 20, 35, 47, 53, 57 and 60. So cumulative frequency is like that. So there is an x values and we have to find the cumulative frequencies by adding the corresponding frequencies and we get the sum total of frequencies, that is 60. So we using the formula 60 is an even number, that's why we using the formula n plus 1 by 2. 60 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 61 by 2. We get the answer 30.5. So the median is the value of 31st item. Considering the 30.5 is 31st item, that's why the 31st item is belongs to the x value of 9, that is 35. Clear? So median is m. We have to find median is m. Okay, next we have to find out frequency table, continuous frequency table, median from a continuous frequency table. Here we use another different formula called m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. That is a formula. You have to learn this formula, which is very important from the exam point of view. So m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. Here L is the lower limit of the median class and n is equal to sum total of frequency. M is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class and C is a class interval. F is the ordinary frequency of the median. So here is an illustration of the continuous frequency table. Here is a class continuous 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60 and 60, 70. This shows a continuous continuous class intervals and the corresponding frequency is there. So we have to find out the cumulative frequency number and we get the sum total of frequency, that is 43. So n is equal to 43, that's why n by 2 is equal to 21.5. So the median class will be 40, 55 because 21.5 is lies in the cumulative frequency of 28. That's why we select 40, 50 is a class interval and the items from 19th to 28 lies in that class. So the 40, 50 is a median class. We selected 40, 50 is a median class by because n by 2 gives 21.5 and that is lies in the class interval 40, 50. So cumulative frequency 28. So the lower limit of the class interval is 40. We can see from that table 40 is the lower limit. M is the cumulative frequency. M simply means cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, that is 8. Preceding class is 8. And C is a class interval. What is the difference between 30 20 40 30? So that is a difference between class intervals called C. And F is a frequency. Frequency is the frequency is 20, that is from the ordinary frequency table. The frequency of from the ordinary frequency table, that is 20. We apply this equation of median, that is M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus M by C, M by F into C, that is equation. So M is equal to L is of 40, N by 2 21.5 minus 8 by 20 into 10. We got 46.75 is our median from the following data. Thank you.